Fry bread. Flour, salt, baking soda, milk. Yeah, it's gonna be exciting. So now I'm about to take that out of there, roll it out a little bit, and make little tiny baby fry breads. Thank you, Dawn, for this wonderful experience. I don't know. We'll see in a minute, huh? I'm excited. Doing something new. It's chilling for 30 minutes, so I can't wait to show you guys. And, oh, I forgot to take the butter out of the refrigerator, so it'll be nice and thawed for me to spread. I don't have anything good to put on my bread, so butter it is. Here, you go right there and thaw out a little teeny bit. Yep. Onions, lemons. The onions have been in here for like 2 days though, but they're not crispy yet, so I just leave them in there. And then I'll pull those out and I'll have green onions ready to go in my potato soup that I want to cook in a couple of days. So let's get back to wire wrapping. You gonna say hi? I don't know what that was, Princess. Hopefully my bed isn't breaking. Oh well. If it does, I'll be sleeping on the floor or in my bed. That was weird, huh? Say hi. Say hi. You see, I just got a little tiny pot. That's why I just made a little tiny one. I know somebody out there is going to ask. Got my paper towels all ready. So, I don't know. Doesn't look like in the pictures, but that's okay. Mine wouldn't, you know. Okay, let me make my next one. My oil's too hot. Ooh, nice and soft. Oh well. Let's keep on keeping on then. Well, I don't know. Looks good. Let's see. That's good. Thank you, Don. I think I cooked it enough. I see what all the rave is about. That's good. Next time I'll make a bigger batch. That was good. The first one was the best. The second and third one, I think I made it a little too thick. So I just cut it in half and put it back in the pot. And it came out great. Oh, it was wonderful. Good experience. Thank you, Dawn. And next time, I'll stop being lazy because I was hungry. And roll it out more. Yeah, and maybe try a different recipe if there is one. Flour, salt, baking soda, baking powder, baking powder, the white can, right? Yeah. But it was good, so I just put some jelly on mine. Lots of butter. Lots and lots of butter and some jelly. And it was just right. And next time I'm going to make me a cucumber drink to go with it. That would go great. So, okay, so next time I'll make it, I'll roll it out thin, make it a little bit bigger, wider, and have my cucumber, lemon, whatever I put in the cucumber one, I don't remember. Cucumber, lemon, and something else. Whatever, I don't know. Or more grape soda. Grapes, blender, seltzer water. I don't know. What I do know is I'm very proud of myself. That was fun. It was exciting, you know, gotta keep the big muscle going. So I'll probably try something different next time. Like finding out the difference between flatbread and fry bread. I think flatbread has another ingredient in it besides just 3, right? I think so. Anyway, and then I'm going to make, I don't know, some meat with lots of gravy in it, or a stew or something. Because, see, that was the reason behind me also making it smaller. So I could just dunk it in my big mug of whatever I'm eating. Yeah. But it was good. It was good. I loved it. With a little bit of, a lot of butter and a little bit of jam. It was really good. So, hey, now I know how to do something different, huh? And then next I'm going to try Korean pancakes. Yes, I'm trying to get more vegetables in my life. So I have been looking for easy, small ingredient vegetable stuff that I can make quick, fast, and in a hurry. Make a lot of, chop it up, put it in the freezer, so then I can have a variety of whatever I want to eat. Already made in the freezer. Just take out one little baggie. I bought these. These work great, by the way. I love them. Need to wash that one. And then what's after? Oh, and then, you know, I still got to get around to my kimchi. Yeah, I do. So, baby steps, baby steps, baby steps. We just got to keep it pushing.